Cleaning practice. General cleaning. Below is the reference where we can see that it is most critical and general part for the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products, and references are Euryalex Volume 4 Part 1 Premises and Equipment Chapter 3 General Principle for Production Areas, Storage, Quality Control Areas, Ancillary Areas. Second, US FDA 21 CFR Part 211 Subpart C 211.56 Sanitization, WHO TRS 986 Annexure 2 Section 3 Sanitization and Hygiene. Contamination happens due to operation of facility by personnel and other activity. Therefore, frequent cleaning to prevent risk during manufacturing process and complete cleaning with specified procedure is necessary. If possible, avoid cleaning during manufacturing process. If it is necessary to clean during process, follow the special cleaning process to avoid contamination. Before making a procedure and starting cleaning, we have to know the surface where we have to clean. So it is necessary to know the surface before cleaning. Accordingly, prepare the strategy, method, and effective procedure for implementation. Critical surface. Area of direct contamination, that is manufacturing area. General surface. Surface of clean room that are not the area point of production. Regular cleaning of area. Regular cleaning of general area is must to avoid contamination to critical area. Change room surface. Highly contaminated area because man material movement is highest in this area. To reduce the level of contamination in production related to related area, store, manufacturing, packing, dispatch. More frequent cleaning should be performed in change room. Category of cleaning. Large particle cleaning above 50 micron. Medium or intermediate cleaning 10 to 50 micron. Precision optimum cleaning less than 10 micron. This is the graph of particle size versus time, where we can see particle size is increasing as time increases. It means small particle accumulating on surface of other small particle and generating big particles. It happens due to operation of activity and man movement in area. So these are the three particles we are seeing here: small particles, large particle, and medium particle. And as per graph, first one is large particle, second one is medium particle, and third one, last one is small particle. So small particle is sum of all three particles. So as time increases, particle size increases. Cleaning of large particle Glass particle debris should be performed by vacuum in unidirectional way, and it is first step for cleaning up critical and clean area. It means vacuum cleaning is first step. After vacuum cleaning, use mopping method for effective cleaning. Use a 3 bucket system during mopping is good for better results. DM distilled water and non-ionic surfactant detergents should be used. Changing of water should be based on criticality of area. If discoloration of water happens, then clean the bucket and refill it for best cleaning. Little or no discoloration of bucket water indicates most clean area. More discoloration of bucket water indicate most unclean area or man material movement is more in that particular area with respect to other area. Use overlapping method with mop during cleaning from most critical area to least critical area. Do part cleaning in large area with manageable subdivision to avoid fall. Change the traffic flow using compatible barrier. Prepare and approve the method program, schedule and procedure for effective result. In case of any incidents, emergency clean mop, vacuum cleaner, safety alarm and neutralizing chemicals must be available to avoid big loss. Example, spillage of material from equipment container due to its failure or mishandling. Spread of solid, spillage of liquid, spillage of gases. Work must be suspended for time being until the reporting of incident and further confirmation to restart. Checking of cleaning. Visual inspection and passing cleaning contrast color wiper over clean surface is good practice to check the cleanness of surface. Other justifiable method can also be used. Use visual inspection and validated cleaning method for equipment which comes in contact with product. EM monitoring, viable and non-viable, must be performed at defined frequency. Thank you.